Hello friends, good morning. I am on Odoo 19.4 which is released few days back, and Odoo has changed something in depreciation model. So asset is becoming depreciation model, and in our earlier instances when we were on 19.1 or previous versions, we have got one facility. So I would like to show you what that facility regarding fixed asset and how it was working. So when I am into fixed asset and then I want to have any automation, then this manage item option was available along with asset models to attach to do automation when we are purchasing any asset and booking a vendor bill, and those vendor bill can convert into the asset depreciation model directly. So this manage item option is not available now in Odoo 19.4. But in our release note, Odoo has smartly given an option how we can handle those asset separation. So let's see some use cases on our Odoo 19.4 and how to handle that. So in Odoo 19.4, now you can see the depreciation models has been introduced. Okay, and then we don't have that particular model and manage item over here anywhere. So how to handle that? So when I can directly choose a depreciation model according to my need, and then I can give accumulated depreciation account and depreciation account. This definitely can be changed to other account. And after giving that, let's see how we can handle those assets and bill in Odoo. So in accounting, when I am making a purchase of my laptop, that laptop product is again uniquely traced by serial number and valuation also by serial number. And let's say I'm buying 6 total unit worth 35,000 each. So after purchasing this, I am receiving those 6 units and I am assigning the serial number for all those units based on my configuration of prefix numbers and validating it. Now, during the bill booking, how we can handle those and create our assets. So now I am booking this bill and this account will be changed to computer and laptops. So over here, this is fixed asset account which we will choose. But over here now, if I confirm this bill, it will create one single entry worth 2,10,000 in for all 6 assets, but I want to divide those entries into individual entries. So Odoo has introduced this feature. Go to journal items, open this particular line, and then you will find a split button. So according to split, now I want to give 6 different journal item and split that. So over here, once I split that, all items will be divided into 35,000 each with 6 line items. Based on that, now you can see the impact on bills. In one case, I got from one of my friend, like they don't want to create all assets. They want to sell also. So over here, definitely, if I don't want to create an asset, then I can book my inventory account also over here. So in my account, let's say what account I do have. So over here on account type, I want to sell this particular item. So based on the domain, I would like to go over here and search my inventory account. So 4 will become asset and 2 item will go into my inventory item which I can resell. So this kind of setting now you can do on the fly based on your arrangement of buying an asset and converting those assets and splitting those assets on Odoo 19.4 onwards. So this is a trick you guys will love. Definitely it is little bit advanced. We removed, like Odoo removed that option of asset management like previous version, and now we have to go to journal item and use this split. But this split can be used in many ways, but this is the one use case which immediate get my attention, and I wanted to give you a tutorial, so I am producing this video. So once I confirm, it will create 4 assets and rest 2 will go into my inventory items. So this is how you can smoothly manage your asset split in Odoo 19.4 and maybe Odoo 20 and onwards. So if you have any question, reach out to me on my YouTube and LinkedIn channel, or if you want to implement Odoo in the right way with inventory and accounting in first go only, reach out to us at techviria.com. Thank you very much. Good day.